Auto mode video mode.
Video தான் சார், வீடியோ தான்.
So today's case study is two-wheeler silencer. The two-wheeler silencer, the main purpose of the silencer is to reduce the exhaust emission and also the noise. That is the main purpose of the this one. Here inside some of the noise reducing elements will be provided, and also the catalytic converter also provided. Catalytic converter main purpose is to control the and also to change the emissions control. What are the emissions available is there are 4 or 5 emissions, namely carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, hydrocarbon emission, NOx emission and sulfur dioxide. These are the 5 emissions. So in this silencer, inside some catalytic converters and other equipments will be provided. And this is the two-wheeler engine. In this muffler or silencer is located at the rear end. The muffler, the silencer also reduce the noise also. That is the purpose of the silencer. And also reduce the emission, mainly to control the emission and the noise. That is the purpose of the silencer. The silencer is made up of steel or other composite material. Composite material is 2 or more elements joined together, making an element is called composite material. So this material will be a composite. The main case study of this video is when you start the engine, what will happen? The exhaust gases from the engine will go out of the silencer. So using the emission control technique, we can measure all the 5 elements, that is 5 emissions: hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and nitric oxide and SO2. So one of these techniques used in the is called EGR. EGR is exhaust gas recirculation, EGR. That is the main purpose of the EGR is to reduce the NOx emission. So in the two-wheeler the NOx emission is less, so we can neglect the NOx emission. We can control the other emission like unburned hydrocarbon. What will happen when the unburned hydrocarbon is when unburned hydrocarbon releases largely, it will affect the human beings' lungs and it will make a disease to the human beings. That is the main drawback of the two-wheelers. So in earlier days, two-stroke engines are used, so the collisions will be more in two-stroke engine because of the unburned fuels will be emitted from the engine through the silencer is more. But nowadays, the government withdrawn all the two-stroke engines, only four-stroke engine will be available. But fuel is petrol, so the complete combustion will take place so that the exhaust emissions will be controlled in the silencer. So the engines, the carburetor engines and the forks. Earlier two-stroke engines using forks, nowadays instead of forks we are using the valves. So in four-stroke engine instead of forks we are using the valves. There are 2 valves are available, inlet valve and exhaust valve. How will we differentiate the 2 valves? Inlet valve is somewhat bigger than the exhaust valve. That is the main difference between inlet valve and exhaust valve. So through the inlet valve, the air fuel mixture will enter the cylinder from the carburetor. Carburetor purpose is to mix the air and the fuel in correct proportion. That is the main purpose of the carburetor. So 15:1 is stoichiometric ratio. If it is less than 15:1, that is called a rich mixture. 16:1 is that is called lean mixture. Lean mixture is more amount of fuel air and less amount of fuel. Rich mixture is high amount of fuel and less amount of fuel. This is the difference between rich mixture and this is the carburetor. This is the choke of the carburetor. So when the engine is not operating in the cold condition, we can use the choke. So So during that period, the rich mixer will come into play.